Hey, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're doing an unboxing and first impressions on the Apple Pencil Pro, as well as the Apple iPad Air M2 and the Logitech Combo Touch keyboard, which is sort of like a nice, still high quality keyboard for the iPad Air, but not so much money compared to the $250, $300 Apple Magic Keyboard, but still really great quality. It's like half the price. So let's check it out. So here we have the iPad. Let's just go ahead and here's the brand new iPad Air M2. Very light. I grabbed the 11-inch just because it was much lighter than the 13-inch, and I don't want to have an iPad that's going to be sort of heavy in my hand as I'm reading. I'm definitely going to be getting a sort of screen protector, a paper-like screen protector that I've already ordered, so I don't get all these smudges that I'm already getting on the iPad, because that would drive me crazy. But first impressions, absolutely very light, very thin iPad. I'm actually very impressed with how thin the device is and just how lightweight it is. This is, of course, with nothing on it, so I'm glad it is really light, but definitely, with a screen protector and a keyboard and case and such, it's going to get heavier. But I am glad that the iPad is really light, yet still enough screen real estate to go ahead and be able to do split screen sort of work and, split between views and such. So definitely, first impressions, I would say very light, very thin, and very sleek, clean design, just like Apple always is. And so next we have the Apple Pencil Pro. I've heard really great things about the Apple Pencil Pro just in terms of the quality of the pencil. People were saying that it does make a big difference between the Apple Pencil versus the Apple Pencil Pro if you use the pencil a lot for like writing and for artistry and things like that. I don't expect to be doing like artwork, but I do anticipate writing a lot with my iPad. That's part of the reason of why I bought it, so I wanted to go ahead and just pick up an Apple Pencil Pro. And I dropped it. So there we have the Apple Pencil Pro. Honestly, I don't know how to take this out of the sleeve. Oh, there we go. There we go. Apple Pencil Pro, first impressions. Very light. Definitely feels, I don't know, like a matte material. Very smooth, but like not slippery. It's like smooth. I think the best way to describe it is like a very matte finish where it just feels very nice in the hand. So I certainly love the first feel of the pencil, and definitely excited to just explore more of the usability of the pencil with the iPad. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Logitech Combo Touch. This was one of those investments I decided to just buy, again, because it's like half the price. It's less than half the price of the Apple Magic Keyboard, but it's still really great quality. It kind of gives me Microsoft Surface Pro vibes, where it has like that sort of felty touch sort of feeling to it, so it won't have as many fingerprints when I'm using the actual keyboard. And so there we are in the box. Definitely feels very nice. You can definitely get some nice clicking, some nice typing in there. Sounds really nice, and it feels really good in the hands. I am sad just because going from a Linux laptop with a Dell hardware has the backspace and delete button, and the only thing I'm sad about is that I do have to get rid of the delete button when using this keyboard. But otherwise, first looks, I would say definitely a very clean look, very nice feel. Oh, and that trackpad, it just feels so smooth. I was not expecting to be impressed with the trackpad, but very, very nice. Again, very smooth. Definitely different feeling than the Apple Pencil Pro. It definitely feels very slippy. Just, ooh, I love the sound of the keyboards and the feel of it. So hopefully it'll be some nice productive typing when using the iPad. It's a cool benefit with the Combo Touch. It comes with a case. So the way it works is you just attach it on the bottom. There we go. You just put the iPad in there, and then it doubles as both a keyboard and the case. And when you just want to use the case on its own, you have a back leg for it, which I think is very cool. Definitely adds some nice versatility to the iPad. Very nice usability and portability for the iPad. So I'm very excited. I love the feel. Feels like really nice quality. Definitely like just this part feels a little flimsy, but like once it's fully on its back, it feels much sturdier with the double layer. I guess this sort of like plasticky layer and this back layer of the material. Very nice when it's combined together. The keyboard definitely feels fairly sturdy, but really nice quality on the overall case / keyboard on it. So really love the feel, really love the look. Doesn't weigh too heavily either. Definitely not as heavy as the Apple Magic Keyboard. So really love the first look of this Logitech Combo Touch. So there we have it. We have a first look at the Logitech Combo Touch. Feels really nice, feels really solid. I love the material, love the keyboards themselves, and just, it feels very nice when typing. Very clean look on the iPad. Love the feel of the pencil. So I'm really excited. Really great first impressions overall on the overall quality of the different devices, and excited to just see what apps, see how this might be able to improve some of my productivity as well as some of my note taking and studying. Really excited for this. Please let me know your thoughts on the Apple iPad Air M2 2024, as well as the Logitech Combo Touch or any other keyboards that you got for your iPad. I'm always interested in learning about other devices, other accessories that might pair it nicely with the iPad. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's first impressions. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Remember, today's a great day to have a great day. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.
Uh-oh.